this video, I'll show you how to use a single order that includes multiple serial numbers for purchasing software items, and then how to create a similar order for shipping directly to your customer. These printers can be end customer printers or demo printers owned by a reseller. So let's get started. For this, we'll use Quick Order. We have a new column here titled Printer Serial Number, which I can now use. Let's see how. From your Excel file, copy the information for the printer's serial number, the number of users and duration. I will copy the information for two printers that belong to two separate end customers, paste it here, and click Populate. The software items are now displayed here with their serial number. This saves you time, as previously you had to create two orders, one for each serial number. If you would like to change the payment terms for a specific item, you can click it, select the new payment terms from the drop-down list, and click Save. I'm done, so I'll click Add to Cart, and as you can see, the cart displays all the information for both printers. If you would like to update the cart details, for example, change the duration, the price is automatically updated to reflect the change. The rest of the process continues as usual with Proceed to Checkout or Get Quote. Another way to purchase software items is by going to the store and selecting items from the software category. Alternatively, and I'll go back, you can search for a part number in the search field. I will copy the part's SKU and paste it here. And here's the software item listed under Software. I'll click Show Details, and from here I can select the printer, select the payment terms, change the duration, and add to cart. Finally, if you would like to view all software licenses owned by your end customer or for your own demo printers, go to My Account and click the Software Licenses tab. Here, you will find all the relevant information, including start and end date, status, and so on. You can also use the search option to easily find a specific customer. Now we will see how you can include multiple serial numbers in one order when dropshipping the items directly to your customer. First, select a customer for your shipment. I'll click Change, and the shipping address window appears. Select this checkbox to have the items shipped directly to your customer. Select an account, a contact, and an address, and when you're done, click Save and exit the window. Now, click Quick Order. I will paste the relevant information from my Excel file here. As you can see, we have all the details, the part number, number of users, and two new columns. The serial number, note that there are two serial numbers here, and also the duration. I will copy, paste here, and click Populate. I can now see these items displayed here. I can see that paper was ordered for this printer, a software item was ordered for another printer. As you can see, it's a different serial number. I can change the duration and select the payment terms. Here is the third item, where I can do the same, except for selecting a printer, as this is an account level item. I'll add to cart, and the rest of the process continues as usual with Proceed to Checkout or Get Quote.